Hello everyone. Today we will continue with your chapter number 7, Adobe Photoshop CS5, page number 71. Okay. So in the previous class we have learned about the tools panel. Now we will learn how to work with the Photoshop. So if you want to create a new file in a Photoshop, what you have to do? You have to select a new file. Okay, what you will do, you will select a new file and then a new dialog box will appear. This type of dialog box will appear in front of you. So you can enter the desired size for drawing area. Like you can change the width, you can change the height, you can change the resolution according to your choice, and then you have to click on OK. So what will happen? A new file will be created. Next is saving a file. How you can save a file? What you have to do, you have to select file option in the menu bar. Okay, you will select file option in the menu bar and you will click on save as. So this type of dialog box will appear in front of you. What you will do then, you will type the file name. Okay, by whichever name you want to save your file, you will type the name and then click on save button. So your image or your file will be saved. Is it okay? So shortcut key for save as dialog box is Ctrl+F. And you can save the file by clicking Ctrl+S. Is it clear? Next is your opening an existing file. How can you open an existing file? You have to select the file option and then what you have to do? You have to open. Click on open. So open dialog box will appear. This type of dialog box will appear in front of you. What you have to do? You have to type the name. By which name you have saved your file earlier, you have to type that name here and click on open. So your file will get opened. Is it okay? See, next is your selection tool. There are different selection tools. We will study about them one by one. So your first tool is marquee tool. See, marquee tool is most basic of selection tools and often the one most useful. Marquee tool आपका क्या है? आप लोग जो ज्योमेट्रिक शेप्स हैं, अलग अलग जो ज्योमेट्रिक शेप्स हैं, उसके लिए यूज किया जाता है. Okay, like you want to select in a rectangle way or in an elliptical shape. So what do? You make use of marquee tool. So there are 4 types of marquee tool. First one is elliptical marquee tool. So if you want the selection in the form of ellipse or in the form of circle, so what will you do? You will make use of elliptical marquee tool. And if you want a single row marquee, okay, next is your single row marquee tool. So what you will do? In this tool, what will happen? You will make a horizontal selection which is only 1 pixel tall. Okay, the length can be as wide as you may like, but the height will be only of 1 pixel. Is it clear? Next is single column marquee. In a single column marquee, you make a vertical selection that is only 1 pixel wide. The length is only of 1 pixel, but it can be as tall as you like. Okay. And the last is your rectangular marquee tool. In rectangular marquee tool, the selection is of rectangle shape. Okay. It draws a rectangle. See. In rectangle marquee tool, you can make a selection of like this type. In elliptical marquee tool, the selection is of this type. In single row marquee tool, you can make a selection like this. And in single column marquee tool, you can make a selection like this. Is it okay? So we will learn how to use them. First step is you have to open the required image. First of all, you have to open your image. You have to click and hold the left mouse button on the marquee tool. Is it okay? What you have to do? आप लोगों को सबसे पहले अपनी इमेज ओपन करनी है जिस पे आप लोगों को वो टूल अप्लाई करना है. Then from the tool panel you have to click on rectangular marquee tool. or marquee tool. Then you will get 4 options. So whichever selection you want, you will select that option. Okay. Then you will, what you will do, आप लोग क्या करेंगे, कोई भी एक टूल यहां से सेलेक्ट करेंगे और उसको इस एरिया को सेलेक्ट करेंगे. सो अ डॉटेड बॉर्डर विल बी देयर. जब आप लोग उस शेप को सेलेक्ट करेंगे तो आप लोगों का सिलेक्शन कैसे होगा, डॉटेड फॉर्म में होगा. ओके. एंड इफ यू वांट टू डिलीट दिस बॉर्डर, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू क्लिक द प्रेस द डिलीट की फ्रॉम योर कीबोर्ड. इज इट ओके? नेक्स्ट इज योर lasso tool. Lasso tool is mainly a selection tool. Okay. In lasso tool what you can do, you can make a selection free handedly. आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, फ्री हैंडेडली कोई भी सिलेक्शन कर सकते हैं. मार्की टूल में आप लोगों का सिलेक्शन कैसे होता था, किसी पर्टिकुलर शेप में होता था, लेकिन लेसो टूल में आप लोग किसी भी फॉर्म में सिलेक्शन कर सकते हैं. इज इट ओके? सो हाउ टू यूज लेसो टूल? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल what you have to do, you have to open the image. Then you will, from the tool panel, you will select the lasso tool. So various type of lasso tool will be there, like polygonal lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool. So whichever tool you want to use, you may click on it. Then what you will do, you will click on any part of the image and drag your mouse around the image which you want to select. And then what you will do, you will release the mouse button and the image will be selected. ओके. आप लोगों को क्या करना है, लेसो, कोई भी लेसो टूल को सिलेक्ट करना है, उसके बाद क्लिक करना है किसी एक पोजीशन पे और उसको ड्रैग करते रहना है जहां जहां पे आप लोगों को सिलेक्शन चाहिए. और जब आप लोगों का सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा तो आप लोगों को उस माउस को रिलीज कर देना है, तो आप लोगों की जो इमेज है वो सिलेक्ट हो जाएगी. इज इट ओके? नेक्स्ट इज योर पॉलीगोनल लेसो टूल. इन पॉलीगोनल लेसो टूल व्हाट यू विल डू, you will open the required image and then you will click on polygonal lasso tool. Is it okay? So what you will do, you will click on any part of the image and you will move the mouse around that image. But as soon as there is a curve, so what you will do, you will release your mouse and then again you will click on it. जब आप लोगों को पॉलीगोनल लेसो टूल क्या करता है, आपकी लाइंस की फॉर्म में सिलेक्शन करता है. इज इट ओके? लेकिन अगर आप लोगों को यहां पे सिलेक्शन करना है तो यू कैन सी दैट हियर इज अ लिटिल कर्व. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल रिलीज योर पॉइंटर हेयर. आप लोग यहां पे अपना माउस को रिलीज कर देंगे एंड देन अगेन यू विल क्लिक हेयर. सो अ लाइन विल बी ड्रॉन विद बिटवीन द 2 points. Okay, a straight line will be drawn between these 2 points and likewise you can select the whole image. So this is polygonal lasso tool.